now you can come with me in Gokul. That Yashoda Maiya has put Krishna in the mortar, grind down mortar. Now Krishna, Yashoda has went to again to turning, but his mind is not there. He is some upset, always thinking about his son. Why he did so? I did so. I should not have done this. But actually I am right. Otherwise he would have been more naughty. But again she thinks that I am not justified. He is so soft and so sweet, but I have given him so much pain. Not to him, but I have given myself in my heart. What to do? If I am going and again untying the rope, Krishna is so angry now, and he will go anywhere else, and I cannot control. So let him for some time, and watching from there always what he is doing. But in the meantime, all the boys began to joke with him, and they all were clapping and they are laughing. So Krishna also began to laugh with them, and the tears with black kajal were dried here. So a line from here to all everywhere was done. But now he was somewhat happy. He forget that what mother has done. Boy told, why not we untie the rope and you should be free? Oh yes, you can do. You can untie. My hands are not going there. So you should try. So all were coming, but not was so tight that they could not untie. One after all, or another, being restless. Oh, you cannot tie, I will tie. Especially Madhubangal, oh, you are bogus, you have no any idea, I will untie. And he quickly went and pushing all others, and he went. But he could not. All began to also laugh at him. They were thinking that if Baldev is here, Baldev was here, then he could have untied. And this ghatana, incident had not been done. It would be like so. In the meantime, Baldev was quickly coming from the house of Upananda with his mother. And when he entered the courtyard, he saw there are so many boys are playing with Krishna, and Krishna is fully tired with that grinding motor. Oh, he became so furious and became so angry. Who has done this? I will give a lesson, I will punish him. And became so angry. His eyes became reddish, and his both hands were like trembling. Subal told in his ear, brother, don't be so upset. Mother Yashoda has done it. Oh, Mother Yashoda. Then all anger went away at once. Oh, if mother has done, I cannot do anything. There must be some reason. And then he began to follow Krishna also. One day, Krishna was thinking Krishna is all-knowing. What?
Omniscient.
Omniscient. So he remembered a pastime of love so much
Millennium last.
that my dear devotee Narad had given cause to the son of Nal and Kuber. Nal Kuber were son of Kuber. Kuber was friend of Shankar, and Shankar is so near and dear to Krishna, so there was a relation. So Narad was also a friend of Kuber. One day Narad was going to meet Shankar or Kuber. Both huts were nearby. So he was going. And in the midway he saw that the two sons of Kuber were playing in a very beautiful pond, quite naked, with so many asparas. Aspara, you know? Demigods, wives of demigods. Very beautiful, young, teeny age. All were naked. And they were playing hide, seek and so many things there. And the two brothers were mad after taking wine so much. They had no lajja, shame or anything. They were mad in wine when Narad was going. At once the demigoddess Aspara became thankful, and they at once they came out of the pond and they took their clothes and in a shame state they began to do pranam to Narad. But these two persons, these boys, they were so shameless and mad in wine that they began to abuse Narad as well as these girls also. This mad person, knowing nothing, why he came in this sight? And you are so bogus that seeing a person and you have come out of the pond and my every test has gone. Gone away. Come quickly, come quickly. Never saw that. They are like a dry tree. They have no shame, they have no knowledge, intelligence, they don't know how to respect Gurujan, saintly person and superiors. They are very near dear to Kuber and also Shankar. So it's given good lesson to them. If anyone does not know the pain of a thorn which goes in the under any prayer, he can give pain to others. Like we can cut fishes, we can cut goats, sheep and cows and so many. Only to take place of them, meat. But if anyone give it, not so, a mortar injection even, needle also, and then don't do that. And if you should cut his finger, then, and if you cut half of his this, then he will realize the pain given to others. He will realize if any pain will come to him. So this bogus person, they don't know. What is the meaning of meat? I have told so many various times. N-E-A-T, N-E-E-A-T. To whom I will eat, they will eat me. every action has reactions. If he will abuse anyone, he will abuse. If he will give slack, he will give slack. To whom place you are taking, and they will become human body and they will eat you. So you should not take hold. So these persons taken birth in very rusticated family, highly cultured, educated, very beautiful, so wealthy, these kinds of persons always are in so much opulence that they don't believe in God. They don't want to do bhajan of Krishna. Always they are in false egos. I'm so beautiful, I'm so learned, I've come in so rusticated family, I am Brahman and all these things. Wealthy. So they cannot do bhajan. Never. So I gave an injection to them. Oh, you should go and become at once as a tree. You will turn into a tree. Because you are like tree. I am here, I am your father, mother life, superior, and you are not caring for me. And you are doing so nonsense, so be nonsense like. At once you should be a tree. He was so powerful, his words were so powerful, that he began to be a tree. Then quickly he realized his situation, and he fell down on the feet of Narada Rishi. Oh Narada Rishi, I never knew that he was so powerful. And I was always immersed in false egos. Now I realize that Krishna mercifully has given this body, human shape, only for doing bhajan. To realize who am I, who is Krishna, who is God, but I have misused my all time. Always drinking, merry-making. So, be merciful to me. What should I do? Now I am going to be a tree. My all senses are now like dirt. Inert. He told that what I have done, it will surely be happen. Anyone cannot make it false. But seeing that you are now realizing, and you are son of my friend, so I am minimizing this. That you will be free, surely you will be free, true tree, but you will be in Vrindavan. And after some time Krishna is appearing there. And when he will be playing as a boy, then he will touch you anyhow, and you will be liberated. And that you will have bhakti also, not only liberated. Then he became pacified and now went. Krishna remembered, oh, my dear Narad has told like this, so I should fulfill my devotee desire. That is why Krishna was thinking. So Krishna can accomplish so many tasks at only one task. By one task. He is so powerful. So Krishna thought that I should do this. So he told his boys, his friends, that push this motor grinding motor, and I am also pulling, help me, and we should go out of home, and then we will play there. So making this straight, the boy began to push and began to pour. When they came at the end of the house, at the door, main gate, just out of main gate there were two trees, very, very big shadows, very big branches, and so many thousands of birds taking shelter there. And they were just like from route 1, very little difference, narrowish cave. So Krishna entered in the narrow lane of the two trees, and while they were pushing, but the motor, grinding motor, become like this, stuck there. And Krishna went out of the tree. Both trees touched the two trees, not Krishna directly. The rope with which Krishna, this vest was tightened, and it was tightened with mortar, and mortar touched, like a current. Like current will come from here and from here to here, and if I will touch here, that current will come. So Krishna power came through a rope to motor, and from motor to, and at once the two trees fell down with a very big, tremendous sound. Very. All breath began to tremble. Brajvasi, those were anywhere, ran towards that sound, the folk sound, quickly off. Nanda Baba was going to take bath in Brahmanda Ghat, so quickly he ran towards sound. Yasodama was restless and doing, his mind was not there. She also heard the sound, and she became so fearful. Oh, from where the sound came? Is it the sound coming from anywhere where Krishna is nearer? So his heart was palpitating, and with fear she ran at once. All the Brajvasi, all at once came. The boy was playing with Krishna and pulling, and they were so happy and doing some laughing, became fearful, very fearful. But their lot was so, they were so fortunate that tree was not going to be fell down like this. Only boy, oh, this way then that side. So there was no harm, but all were doing like this and fearful. Yashoda saw from a distance that, oh, Krishna is in the middle of the two trees, that tree has been uprooted. Oh, if the tree has fallen upon Krishna, then what happened? She could not think after this, and she became like a tree. No sense at all. Dry wood she became. No tear, nothing, no breathing, nothing. That is, she becomes Jad, Stambha. And Nanda Baba, what happened? Krishna is amidst the trees, and tree has been uprooted. What happened? So quickly he ran away, and he came near to Krishna, and he saw that he was planted in water, grinding water, and he was also struck down. He saw towards wild wind. He quickly went and took Krishna in his lap. He asked Krishna, who did this? In the meantime, the boys were assembled, Krishna friends, Baba, Baba, Baba. Krishna touched the two trees, uprooted. And very beautiful two shape of human body, like God is. Very beautiful. Like sun, some rays they are coming. And they did parikrama of the Krishna. And they began to pray something. And Krishna told something. And at last they did pranam, sastang pranam, and they went to north side. Nand Baba told, "Oh, these boys are not telling, they don't know anything. How Krishna can uproot these two big trees? I think that any demon from Kans, instructed by Kans, has come. And they wanted to kill Krishna. And Jashoda is so cruel-hearted and unintelligent that he could not understand. If they both had been died, then what happened? He could not think more about that. He quickly, Krishna was not, before that, playing with boys and pulling and pushing. He was so happy and he was so laughing. But when he saw his father coming, at once he began to weep so loudly, more loudly than Jashoda was. "Oh, I should beat you? Should I beat you?" So more than that, long prayer, tears so much. And when Nand Baba began to pacify him, he began to more weep. The Nand Baba, from his chadar, you know? Chadar. He began to remove all these things. And he was weeping so much. Then he told, "My dear son, who has binded you?" Krishna was not telling anything. He repeated, "Who binded you? Tell me, I will punish them. Who has binded you?" Again and again when he asked, then Krishna told, "Mother has binded." Very near. Mother. Oh, your mother? I never knew that she is so cruel-hearted. Oh, she is so cruel-hearted that she binded. I will punish. And then he did like this, then Krishna eyes fall off. Nand Baba had. Then he gave a laddu. Anyhow, Krishna took it but not taking. Now he was pacified, some little, and tears were now not fully, and he was doing like this, and he was pacifying on his here crossing and also here too. Nand Baba became so great, and he saw towards Jashoda with tearful eyes. And Jashoda was not in sense. Only the Sakhis were taking care of Jashoda. And they were really reading the heart of Jashoda. So they were so unhappy and worried. They wanted that Krishna should come in the lap of Jashoda. But Nand Baba now is so great that he took Krishna and Baldev on his shoulders. He took Baldev Prabhu on his right shoulder and Krishna left shoulder. And he went to Brahmand Ghat in Jamuna, and he made bath of two sons, and after that he also took some bath, and again he took them here, and he returned to home. And now it was about more than 2. There was no cooking in the house of Jashoda now today. No cooking. Who will cook? All that so much worry. Rohini saw that Nanda Baba is coming with 2 boys. Quickly he did some Dalia. Dalia, you know? Dalia. Wheat, lentils, and it is cooked in water or milk or in mattha. Mattha means butter. So quickly she did a little only. And Nanda Baba came, she gave it to Nanda Baba. Nanda Baba gave first to Baldev and then to Krishna alternately. And when they were satisfied, then he began to take something. Very little. He was so brave. So he took something and he went to outer door, like drawing room. Like this is drawing room and courtyard was there. In India, there are in every one's house, especially those who are middle class of persons or very rich, there are 2 parts of their homes. Only in inner part, only ladies will be there, and kitchen and everything will be there. And outward, only male will sit. So many male will come, like a sabha, meeting hall. So Nanda Baba was there. Quickly, Sandhya came, evening came. About 7, that he take something. So, now he came to Goshala, Kausik, and he went to a very good cow, and he began to milk, and directly milk was coming in the mouth of Krishna and Baldev, and he gave some misri, sugar candy, white wala, and they took full of stomach to boil. And then he came again, and now it was about to night. Now all these sakis of Yashoda were so much very, especially Rohini and Upanand's wife. So many all old ladies came there with Baldev. Baba, Krishna was with Nanda Baba. They told Baldev that go and forcibly you should drag Krishna here and we will take it to lap of Yashoda. So Baldev went there to pull Krishna, but now Krishna was so strong that he pushed so much that quickly Baldev fell down. Then Rani Maiya is asking to Krishna, Krishna, will you not go to your mother? No. Where you will be passing your night? To whom you will sleep? Oh, with father. Not with mother, no. What you will eat? I will eat milk from the orts of cows. My Baba will do it, and misri. Then, to whom you will play? I play with my brother Baldav and Baba Nanda Baba. You will never go, never go. Then Rani Maiya told, and if your mother is like this, what is meaning of like this? If she dies away, passes away, oh, sing this Krishna becomes so, and he began to wait, mother, mother, and he did his hands like this, mother, mother, mother. Then at once quickly Roni Maya came and he took Krishna and she took it, Krishna, in the lap of Yashoda. Up till now she was like a statue, senseless. But when she gave Krishna in her lap, now she became so melted heart and she began to cry, my dear son, and began to weep so loudly that Roni Maya and all others began to weep. Krishna, mother, and Yashoda was weeping, Roni was weeping, all those who were there, all began to weep. After some time, when Yashoda was somewhat pacified, he gave his milk to Krishna. And in meantime, something was prepared. And then, quickly, Nanda Baba was called to take some prasadam. Krishna and Baldev were sitting on the right and left hand of Nanda Baba. Nanda Baba told Krishna, you should go and call your mother. If your mother is not coming, I will not take anything. Then Yashoda was not coming. She was so much in shame. But Krishna went there and he caught hold of her bell and he dragged Mother Yashoda to Nanda Baba. Then Nanda Baba took something and also Krishna Balaram he gave, and after he left some remnant, a remnant was taken away in Yashoda house and all divided it and two, and Krishna was now in the lap of Yashoda. In the night he slept well with Yashoda. So Krishna being Supreme Personality of Godhead, he is playing so much sweet pastime. How to increase his or to renew his love and affection. So those doing so many things. One kirtan in the night. Jaya Kunja Bihari, Jaya Kunja Bihari. You know? pastimes and the hearing of pastimes, they are not mortal. There is much more differences between mortal world and transcendental world. So much. These sounds, that is transcendental words, in the shape of Hari Katha or Krishna name, if a man has a little honor, little shraddha there, very little, though he is covered with so much ignorance, but if he is a little honor, this transcendental words will come through the ears in the devotee's heart. These words are not words. Krishna himself, in the shape of transcendental words, comes in the heart of any person who has some a little fraction of Shraddha and clears whole heart, makes it pure gradually, and then his Shraddha becomes thick, and then bhakti comes in his heart gradually, and he becomes devotee. All bad habits goes away, all unearth goes away, and quickly he develops his Krishna consciousness, and then Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, first Guru, initiation from Guru, and then Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti grows, develops, and Bhav Bhakti, and then Prema Bhakti. And he gets his body, mind, everything, and then his pure soul, like a Brajvasi, goes in Vrindavan, and he becomes happy forever. So don't hear Harikatha. If things have come from so many far away, mercifully, but they have a very good chance to hear. But those who are not hearing, but they are killer of their own soul. Nivattatarshai uparahiyamana hosadat bhav satri manobhiramat kauttam shlok gunan vadat dirajye bina pasurna. Only self-killer will not. To kill any animal or to himself is not killing. But those who are not hearing, they are losing their life of lack and lack birth. So we must hear and chant fresh name in this life. It is so powerful. Very quickly it will make you so pure and Shuddha Bhakti will come. So don't neglect. At once try to do bhajan from today. Otherwise we can die tomorrow. No knows tomorrow. So quickly from this evening, now it is evening, or just now, we should begin chant Hari and try to give up bad habits at once. There is a Rasagulla, very good Rasagulla, you know? Very Indian best sweet. Very good. Or Indian peda, very sweet. But if any poison is given in this, and you are so hungry, and you are going to take it, but your mother told, oh, don't take it, because it has been poisoned. If you will take, you will die. Will you take it? Never. So, we are like mother and doctors. They are experienced doctors. So try to faith on us. We can cheat you. You can have faith on me and Vaishnava. They are more merciful than mother and doctors. So have a very strong faith on sadhus. And quickly try to give up all these things, bad things. No harm you are in worldly life, in marriage life. No harm. You should do all your jobs. But don't cut fishes and animals, and don't take eggs, meat, wine and all these things. And you can do any job. You can live with your friends, your wife, your sister, mother and family. No harm. So this is the essence of all the Harikatha. Why this story has been told in Srimad Bhagavatam? This is not a story or mythology. Nothing. It is true. True pastime. And if anyone will hear, the words will go like Krishna is going. And you will see that your heart has been changed and you are so blissful and happy. So try to hear all these things. If any advanced bhakta hears it, what becomes? He tries to follow. I want to be a mother of Krishna, like Yashoda, to serve Krishna. I want to be like Dam Sridham, always playing with Krishna. I want to be like Gopi. And then I want to serve Krishna like Gopi. So many cowherd boys are serving to Krishna. Mother Yashoda and so many mothers of Braja and so many fathers are serving Krishna. And so many gopis are serving. Among them, who is serving best and to whom Krishna is pleased more? Can you tell? Gopis. Why? Why with gopis? Why not Sakhas and why not Yashoda mother and Nanda father will serve Krishna? Because they cannot give everything, all their love and affection for Krishna. But gopis can give everything, their shame, their whole body, all senses, father mother can give. If he has two sons, he will give half to one and other half. But this gopi can give whole self, their love and affection for Krishna. So gopi are most superior in loving Krishna. So hearing all the pastimes, they will have some greed to follow gopis. That is why Srimad Bhagavad has appeared, to give this greed. Especially Chaitanya Charitamrita and the books of Rupa Goswami, Raghunath Goswami. So you try to read it. Through any qualified Vaishnava. You cannot explain or you cannot taste Srimad Bhagavatam without any bhakta. You can read but you have no taste. But hearing all these things, so many things are coming. Now, you could, Namami Nandayana. Namami Nandayana. Namami Nandayana. Namami Nandayana. Namami Nandayana. you are lacking something. You want some wealth. And went to any person who is so wealthy. But if you want that, you should give your whole wealth. And what he has, you want more than that. Can he give? If he has something and you are begging, first he will not give you. Also, government has banned on begging. You should not beg. But if you are begging, oh, give me something. And if he has no relation with you, he can give some little one, what, dollar or ringgit, 2 ringgit. Like 4 brahmacharis took diksha yesterday, and they were like a beggar going one to another person. And in the last, what was collected, they gave me. Then I saw that 1 ringgit, 2 ringgit, half ringgit only. Why? All are here in this world like something lacking. So they want to give. And if anyone wants more than what he has, he cannot give. If I want that, I want a crores of dollars, any of you, can you give crores of dollars? By selling your property, you cannot give. But if you want from Krishna, pray to Krishna, anything, anything, everything, but yet he will have so much. He can give anything to you. He is so humble, he is so manidata. Generous. That anything you want, he will give. Others cannot give. Even Narayan cannot give. Can he give? If he wants that you should give me Madhur Ras, can you give? I want that you should make me the Radhika, Dasi of Radhika, Palladas. He cannot give. Dwarkadhis cannot give. Can he give? But Krishna can give you anything you want. He can give you more than you want. So if we pray, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam. Without praying, everything Krishna will give. And if you are praying to Srimati Radhika, then she will give more than Krishna can give. His treasure is more than Krishna. If Krishna gives something from the treasure of Srimati Radhika, so if you are praying to Radhika, then he will give anything more than that you expect. So you must pray to Radhika. For what thing? For I want to become your Dasi. Give sprinkle your mercy and give me Krishna prem, Braja prem, not anything else. But unluckily, if you will ask him, I want salvation, liberation, or I want wealth, or easily, quickly, he will give you. So you should pray and hear Harikatha with a strong will and a strong honor and faith. Once in Mathura, there was a lady, low class of lady. She used to sell fruits, very, very sweet fruits. And he used to go to countryside, in villages, where when boys and children of little small age, she used to tell mango, orange, sweet guava,
banana,
banana, and very beautiful ripen, reddish and yellowish fruits. All while coming, hearing the sound of that fruit seller lady, she quiet, all began to collect and to watch with what? Greedy eyes. And they used to tell, mother, I want to take that fruit. This lady, fruit seller, having heard the name of Nanda, that recently Yashoda has given a birth, a very beautiful boy, and his name is Krishna, and he is so attractive, he is so beautiful. Those who goes to Gokul and she never, he cannot take his mind again return. If he returns, his mind, without mind, he returns, and without her. So she wanted to see that boy. One day she took some fruits full of basket, and she crossed the river Jamuna by a temporary pool. At that time, temporary pool used to be by the branches of trees and banana trees. And she anyhow crossed the river and went to Gokul. For them at that time it was very easy to cross and to go. It was not so far away. Still from Mathura crossing Jamuna only 7 miles or likewise. Easily. We can also go. First we used to go on foot walking there. But now we cannot go because so much taxi, car and so much things have been now invented. So this food seller went there and was calling fruit, banana, mango, orange, guava like this, and fun. But thinking Krishna, she began to cry like what? Govinda Damo Dharma Devi, Govinda Damo Instead of mango, began to cry loudly. Govinda, Damodar and Madhav. And anyhow he left his hand from the basket. Indian ladies, I don't know here what become, taking so many pots full of water, 1, 2, 3, 4, here also 1, 2, and without giving hands on them, keep it, and they can quickly come. I don't know here, but Brother Gopri, I expert in this. So she was like this, giving her heart, and from her core of heart she was crying Krishna, Damodar. But whole day she was taking round of Nandabhavan, but Krishna could not meet her. She returned again, continuously she went there 3 days. Today she promised, if Krishna will not give his darshan, I will not return. I will give up my life. Promising this she went. And she was so much absorbed in chanting Govinda Damodar that Krishna could not check up himself. He was in the lap of Yashoda. At once he came out, quick, and he saw that there was a heap of grains, wheat, and with his little hands, small hands, he took like this, and I want fruit, give me fruit. This fruit seller was of low cost, so she could not enter in the house of Yashoda. She was on the door, out of the door. So Krishna taking the grain, but grains all came down. Only some friends, 2, 3, 4 were there, and Krishna was thinking that, oh, it is full of. And he wanted to give that fruit seller. And she observed Krishna. And she was totally observed. And she was looking and looking. She gave her heart to Krishna. And when Krishna told repeatedly, oh, give me fruits, give me fruits, then quickly his knowledge came. And he again looked towards the face of Krishna. And he at once told her, oh boy, if you will tell me mother and sit on my lap, then I will give you. Because there are no grain in your hands. And Krishna saw that all grain has been gone. But he was looking here and there that anyone is looking or not. And he was fearing that if my mother or anyone of Braj will see that Krishna has sitting in the lap of this low class of this lady, then what will be? So he was looking here and there, and then he saw that none is here. Then his mother quickly, and he sat at once on the lap of that lady, and at once jumped up from there and began to tell, oh, you should give him fruit. She was so much pleased, and he gave some fruits, but only fruit, mangoes and banana were so much for the hands of Krishna. He wanted to give all the fruits in the hands of Krishna, but Krishna's hand was small that she could not give. He took like that. 2 hands and made his stomach also like one side, and he wanted to take more, so some fruits were given. Very sweet. Krishna took it and dancing like Hey. You know how wild, when they are so much happy, they dance like that, and dancing Krishna went to his mother and gave all the fruits in the well of Yashoda. And she began to distribute, and she became so happy. But fruits were so endless that he began to give to all the gopis, and they began to increase. So all were given, but still the fruit was there. And what became of that fruit seller? When Krishna came from her, and he came to over his side, then his mind was and heart was taken by Krishna. So without heart and mind she was there. For so much time she was sitting there. Anyone came, why you are sitting here? Anyhow, he got it. And then he took his basket on her head, and she was going to her home. When she came on the bank of Yamuna river, he felt that my basket is so heavy. Why so heavy? So he put it down and saw that it was full of all jewel. A jewel was so costly that the khajana of Kamsa, whole treasure of Kamsa, whole gold, will be not able to be equal to one jewel. So it was full of so much jewel. She told them, what is the use of now jewels? She fell down all in the Yamuna. Like a man, Govinda like this, no? Govinda no bell. Bell came out. It was going on earth. She had no sense. Only sense of Krishna was there. Tears were coming so much. Heart was so melting. And after this, anyone could not see you. Where she get gone? He never returned to her home. Where she went? Can you tell? Krishna said, oh, that, oh, she is like to be my mother. Quickly he took. And his body was lying down on the Jamuna side. Someone came and gave it to her. And she, very beautiful, like a mother, went to Golok Vrindavan. If you want to follow that lady, very easily you can. So Gurudev has come to get these things, to sprinkle these things. You cannot repay him by worldly worth, reputation or anything. You have nothing to give, repay Gurudev. So you should think, you understand the glory of Gurudev, how he wants to give you that same wealth that Krishna gave it to whom? Food sellers. So try to be like that. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your human body. At once you should try to be like that. Always be in this way. And singing what? Govinda Rama. Not like a song. Praying Krishna with heart, full of heart. Then Krishna will hear. Otherwise, if you are singing like Sangeet, Sangeet means song. No. Me? Krishna cannot hear your music. He knows so many music. From his nail, so much music can come. His inferior devotee can sing so much. So try to pray like this, core of God, and Krishna will hear. So any kirtan you do, you should be absorbed into it. And do it. Otherwise, if you are doing Sangeet, music, oh, Krishna will not be satisfied, he will not hear. But if you are chanting, remembering like this, then Krishna will hear and at once come and give you his word.
Krishna Govinda Govinda Gopal Nandana. 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 Girivaradhari Madana Gopal. Girivaradhari गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल नंदलाल कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल नंदलाल कृष्ण गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल नंदलाल गोविंद गोविंद गोपाल नंदलाल गोविंद गोपाल नंदलाल हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे हरि बोल 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 हिताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल